How good is this? You might want to take this home with you. You want to take this home with you. A Minnesota umbrella.
Where the fuck are we?
We're in the home of the gorilla. Can you hear it? Can you hear it, Danny? It's in there someplace. Somewhere in here, Danny. This is a breast pump I got going. I got to reach into with the breast pump. Where are you? My little monkey suit. I think I see it. Some golf clubs. Yeah, see it, Danny. I think I got it. I think I got it.
You sure?
Yes. Holy shit. Oh, okay, I gotta get it.
Should I lock this thing?
Alright, got it. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. I missed you. A little stuff on your nipple. I missed you. Okay, let's see. We got everything. Right.